Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video, and created a new channel, and this is where the videos will now be, is on this channel called OJ Games. So yeah, and the first thing that we are going to do is go into your Starter GUI, Screen GUI, and we need to get the rebirth frame and duplicate it and call this GemShop. And what we're gonna do is turn the visible to true. And in GemShop, we're gonna delete this scrolling frame. And what we're gonna do is add in a frame. I think we should do. Yeah, let's add in a frame and call this frame display. And make sure that's call it display and put it like right here. And change the background color to the darker blue, and then add in a UI corner, and then create a new frame and call this frame options, and put it around here, bring it over here, and bring it down, and then add UI corner to this, and then change the background color to that. And now what we're gonna do is add in a UI list layout in here and change the padding to 0,5, and then change this to center. And now what we're gonna do is make this visible to false, and over here, if you press Alt and then click, you can select this door. And what we're gonna do is add a proximity prompt, and then change the change the style to custom, and now add in a billboard GUI, and in that billboard GUI add in a frame, and then, or let's just do add in a text label, change the size of this to 50,50, change the size of this to 50,50, and then add in a UI corner, add that into the text label, and then turn it always on top on, and then change this to 1,0, and then change the text to E, and then scale to true, and then font to Fruskle 1. And now what we're gonna do is add in a script into started UI and add in a local script, and in that local script, local proximity equals workspace.Shop. We also need to rename this to door and do .door.ProximityPrompt and then local proximity prompt service equals game : GetService ProximityPromptService. And then proximity.Triggered connect function script.Parent.ScreenGui.GemShop.Visible equals true. So now when we go in the game, and once you get in, if you go over to the over here and click E, this screen comes up. And another thing we want to fix so it doesn't let you do it from all the way over here, so this doesn't pop up from all the way over there, is go in, change max activate distance to, keep it at 10, and then max view distance to 20. And now what we need to do is make the gem shop visible again. And then right here in options, we're gonna add in a text button, change the size to 50, change the size to 50, actually no, let's do a 75, 75. And then, oh wait, we're actually gonna add in an image button and change the size to 75, 75. And we are going to add in a text label. Bring the text label down here, scale it in, and I'm actually going to change the size of this to 100, 100, so then it's easier to see. And we're going to bring that and change the text to 1 out of 10 for now, and change the background color to the blue. Actually, let's do the light blue, and then let's bring it down a bit more, and then change scaled to true, and then font to Fruskle 1, and then add in a UI corner, and then go in image button and add in a UI corner, and then change the image to any image you can find of a person running. And then once we have that done, we're gonna change the background transparency of this. So let's get the properties back open, put it up over here. And change the background color to blackish grayish, or whatever color you want. You can do like green. And then once we have that inside of display, we're gonna add in we're gonna take this and call this run, duplicate it and put it in display. I'm gonna make it a lot bigger, change the size to 200, 0, 200. And then we're gonna take this and change the size of it to 200, 60. And then we're gonna call this amount. And then we're gonna duplicate this and put it up here, and to change the text to 0 for now, and then change the name to cost. Then add in a text button and put it down here. Change the text to purchase and change scaled to true, and then change the background color to green, and then change the font to Fruskle 1, and then add in UI corner. And let's change the size. Actually, that's a good size. And now what we want to do is inside of run, inside of the display, or actually in here, we're going to put in a local script. And in that script, we're going to do script.Parent.mouse button one click :connect function, and then script.Parent.Parent.Display.Run.Visible equals true. And then once we have that done, now what we're going to do is inside of run, we're going to add in 2 number values. Name one to change it to amount owned, and change the other one to upgrade cost. And then what we're gonna do is add in a local script and name this script text/values handler while wait do local amount equals script.Parent.amount, and then local amount owned equals script.Parent.amount owned, and then local cost equals script.Parent.cost cost, and then local upgrade cost equals script.Parent.upgrade cost, and then local amount 2 equals script.Parent.Parent.Parent.option script.Parent.Parent.Parent.options .run.amount. Oh, we need to change the text label to amount. And then we're gonna do amount.text equals amount owned dot value dot /10, and then cost equals upgrade cost dot value dot quotation marks space gems. And then amount 2 equals amount owned. We can just copy this, and then if amount owned dot value is greater than 0, then upgrade cost dot value equals amount owned times 500. And else upgrade cost dot value equals 250. And then what we're gonna do after this is inside of purchase, we're gonna name this, we name this to purchase. And then inside of here, we're gonna add a local script. And what we're gonna say is script.Parent parent.mouse button 1 click connect connect function local player equals game.players.local player, and then local gems equals game.players.local player. And then we can go in here and take this and do .parent amount owned. Take this and do upgrade cost, and then upgrade cost. And then local character equals player dot character or player dot character dot character added colon wait for, or just wait, and local humanoid equals character colon wait for child humanoid. And then we're going to do if gems dot value is greater than or equal to, if gems dot value is greater than or equal to upgrade cost dot value, then if amount owned dot value is greater than is greater than 10, then humanoid dot walk speed equals humanoid dot walk speed plus 1.6. And then gems dot value equals gems dot value minus upgrade cost, and then amount owned dot value equals amount owned dot value plus 1. So what this does is if when you click the purchase button, if the gems dot value is greater than the cost, so the cost to upgrade it, then your amount owned goes up by 1. So the max is 10. So if it's less than 10, if there's not 10 already, then the humanoid dot walk speed goes up 0.1 or 1.6. So 1/10 of, so plus 0.10%, and then it subtracts the upgrade cost dot value from the gems dot value, and then the amount owned dot value equals the amount owned dot value plus 1, so it adds another amount owned. So now if we play the game, if we close this and like go over here, we can open it, and I'm just gonna give myself some gems, so slash console, and then what you can do is go over to server, do game dot players dot, and then whatever your username is, mine's Offie242 dot leader stats dot gems dot value equals, I'm gonna give myself 750. So now that I have that done, I have 750 gems. I go over here and open up the shop. And whenever you click that, I'm gonna open up output to make sure there's nothing wrong. If we purchase it, value is not a valid number. Oh, what we needed to do there. What we did wrong, and first of all, let's make change this visible to false. And then what we need to do now is also make the gem shop visible to false. And the problem was I did game.players.localPlayers right here, and I do players.readerstats.gems. And if I go in here, and open up this, click on this. Not sure what's wrong. Okay. I think I might have found the problem. We need to add in a frame in here and call this frame run and put run in there and change this visible to false and this visible to false still, and then the display visible to true. Okay. And then what we need to do is change this to script.Parent.Options.Visible equals run.amount. And now if we go in the game, okay, this is also a simple fix. Change gem shop visible to true, and then this visible to true. Make it so it covers up the entire screen, and then change the background transparency to 1. And now you can make the visible to false, and then gem shop visible to false. Now when you go in, open this up, is this run visible? That's the problem. Okay. So now when we go in, open this up, click this becomes visible. I still don't know why this isn't working. Yeah, that has to be the problem. That needs to be .text, and then the other one also needs to be .text. We open up, go over here, open it up, click on this, 250 gems, purchase it, Something in the purchase button is wrong. Okay, I found the problem. I put if the amount on that value is greater than, it needs to be less than. So now when we play, we get in, open up the shop, open up this, purchase it, and we do have a problem. And all we have to do right here is stop the game first. All we have to do right here is just put .value and then play again. So let's compare our speed before and then purchase this. Now we go a little bit faster, then even faster, and you can see everything moving faster. And now that costs 1,000 gems, but I don't have enough, so it doesn't let me buy it. But it'll keep increasing your speed over and over until you reach 10. So that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, see you guys in the next one. Bye.